Hi, let's do a middle parting first. This hairstyle can be done with any outfit, especially with the western outfit. So take a middle parting and take a guideline from your eyebrow, arch of your eyebrow, and take this like this. Okay, and after that put pins and secure it tight. And after that take the hair which you have pinned it, the rest of the hair, and tie a knot. Okay, like this, like this. After tying a knot, take one strand of your hair from any side you want and braid it. After doing a 3-strand braid, here it is. Doing a 3-strand braid, your bun is ready. This hairstyle looks, the messier the better.
Hawaii, Hawaii, Hawaii.
Everybody, people who love center part, so just take a center part, and as you take a portion of it from your eyebrows for your poof, just take same way for your center poof, in the sense middle parting poof, sorry. Just roughly run your fingers and start twisting in the opposite direction like this, and tight. Okay, it has to be tight, and start pulling your hair from back. Can you see this? And put a pin from behind. Now twist this side of your hair in the opposite direction, and same way start pulling it. And it's done. A middle parting hairstyle with a nice poof. You can carry it with any outfit. Nothing to worry. Just twist it in opposite directions and start pulling it from behind. Everybody, will do another side falling hairstyle. So just take a guideline from your eyebrows and take a front poof, roughly just comb it, and whichever side you want, just flip it on the opposite side so that you'll get volume this side. I wanted this side, so I am flipping it like this and put it like this so that you'll get a volume here, and twist it little bit from up like this so that you can pull it from down like this, so that you will get an instant side falling hairstyle, and you will get a poof here also, so that you will not feel flat. And start putting pins. You can see this, it is side falling, and poof here, it is not flat.